go. We have a new chassis for Herman's build because he's got an old F250 chassis that's been cut. So rather than take chances, we're going to put him back on a proper F250 chassis. Just stretches a low bed for him. So yeah, this thing's about to get sanded, wire brushed down to bare metal, prepped, painted, and get ready to go out. This week start moving all the stuff across from his chassis onto this one. But yeah, the foundations of the beast. So there we go, setting up. We're going to take Herman's Monster for a test drive before we start the build, but here we go. Let's see what happens. I need a chair, there's no chair. Okay, fitted me a seat. Let's see if we can get this thing running quick.
A few moments later.
Oh, we got it running. Definitely the smell of burning rubber somewhere. Maybe the fan belt's too big. There's Arno moving vanilla. Sitting on a crate. Here we go, first coat done on Herman's Beast. Going back to an F250 chassis for him. Got it cleaned up, ready to go. Tomorrow we'll get the guys to start moving everything across. Get it off that broken old chassis. Starting our set in Herman's truck. Here we got Arno. So we're busy doing some wiring on the beast here. Got a new harness coming in. Central locking, alarm, immobilizer, sirens, reverse lights, reverse cameras, drones, lowering kid air ride, widening self, turns from dually to single wheel instantly by the push of a button, 4x4 diff lockers. So a quick update on the Herman's build for the Philippine. We've managed to get his motor nice and clean. Gonna start stripping this old paint down a bit now so we can get ready to paint it a nice fresh coat of blue. He wants to keep it the blue color. I know I like to do them black, but I suppose it's gonna be blue this one because that's what the man wants. So yeah, as you can see, she's starting to look cool. Just getting cleaned up. Definitely gonna be the motor runs great. We tested, we drove it. We're obviously gonna change all these things here, like the plugs and filters and all that there once we finish painting, and then we'll pull it apart again and start fix all the gaskets and everything. Gearbox has been checked, tested. We're going to drain that now this week, put some fresh oil in it when it goes into the chassis. We've moved him over to a new F250 chassis because he was on a F100 chassis that's been chopped, and yeah, it's just not lining up like it should, and it's going to be more work doing the effort than it's actually worth. So we moved him over to an F250 chassis. These are just the wrong springs at the moment. We need to put the right ones in. But we've basically upgraded him to disc brakes. Just putting him on a single diff because the dually diff that he's got in the spring setup is not quite right. So what we'll probably put that towards a phase 2 of the truck. But yeah, we're gonna get ready this weekend. We're putting the motor in this guy. And then we're gonna get it all painted. The body's in the process of busy getting sanded, cleaned and taken care of. So let's see what happens next. Anna's busy assembling the beast motor. Nice new gasket set for the exhaust and the intake. Painted the alternator, the fan. Final installation of this one this week as well. Load shedding. Busy assembling the beast here for Herman. Look at that monster. Blackened everything with Ford blue. Starting to look mean. Needs a new fan belt. That one's a bit the wrong size, big time. Anna's powered by Castle today. So Herman, if your truck leaks, you know why. But yeah, the beast taking shape, looking good. Rev it there for me.
Let me make it clean.
Hey, wow, this is not a photo for the internet, this is part of the build videos. I'm just showing we're busy assembling now, finally getting the seat in, tucking away the last of the wires. Does this heater work? Ready to send the beast home.